listen to Neil.
Oh my gosh, to find distances to things in the universe when you can't just pace it out or take a tape measure?
Yeah, tell me.
It's very hard. And it's the product of decades of invested, clever thinking. About how to know how far away something is that you can't drive to.
Right.
And it's called the distance ladder. You can Google it. The distance ladder. You start out with nearby objects. We know how to get the distances to those.
Right. So I'm the distance across the street to the house. I get that. Tape measure it, 60 feet. Okay.
We use something called parallax. Where a nearby star, when Earth is on one side of the sun, you'll see it in front of stars over there.
Right.
And when we go to the other side of the sun.
But what if we're not going around the sun? So you've already made a big assumption in your mathematics. Just making sure.
Earth is on one side of the sun. You'll see it in front of stars over there. And when we go to the other side of the sun, it's in stars, background stars on the other side. And you look at how much that has shifted, that you do the math, it'll tell you how far away the star is. Once you know the baseline.
What? Say it again.
Stars on the other side. And you look at how much that has shifted, that you do the math, it'll tell you how far away the star is. Once you know the baseline of how far away Earth is from one side of the sun to the other. Okay. If the star is farther away, it doesn't shift by as much. And there's a point where it shifts so little you can't measure it. So you need other methods and tools to figure this out.
Oh, good. We have other methods.
Or better telescopes.
Okay.
And those form the bottom rungs of what is a noble ladder.
Very noble.
Of inferences made.
Oh, they're inferences. Oh, inferences. Okay. So I just want to make sure we understand what these words mean. Inferences. Okay. It's a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. Don't think so. It's